announcement. Happy birthday, Sir Wilson.
Hi, Sir Will. I wish you have a good health and to be successful in life. I know that you are sometimes encounter a problem, but you can solve it. And I know you are a good, God-centered, and I wish you have always happy, and I enjoy of your company, and we love you. Wishing you a good health and successful in your life.
Hi, Sir Will. Sorry, hindi ako nakasama sa inyo kahapon.
Will, kahit pagalit ka, binilit nila ako eh. Pero happy birthday pa rin, bro. Okay.
Hindi naman.
Happy birthday, pare. More blessing.
Ulit!
Hello, Sir Wilson! Maraming salamat sa lahat at happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas and a happy birthday.
Good health po sa inyo, Sir Wilson.
And long life po. Tsaka stay handsome.
Thank you po.
Thank you po sa lahat, and saan makabalik ulit.
Hi sir! Happy birthday po! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Ayun po, sa pagpasok ko po sa DOT, Training and Development, I never thought na magkakaroon ako ng boss na kasi bait niyo po. Walang halong bola. I wish you all the best in life. Go lang po.
May God bless you always, and napaka-thankful po ako na naging chief kita kasi napakasaya dito sa Training and Development Division. And I hope, sir, na you will have many more blessings to come as you age. So, thank you po!
Hello, sir. Pagpatuloy niyo lang po yung mga ginagawa niyo. Pagpatuloy niyo lang yung mabuting pakikisama sa mga tao. Kayang-kaya niyo po yan. Suportado namin kayo, sir.
Happy birthday sa pinakagalante naming boss, si Sir Wilson. Wish you all the best and all the success in life.
Hi, Wilson. Sabi ni Esram, birthday mo na. Pinabati kita ng happy birthday and many happy returns in the day.
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!
Happy birthday po, Sir Wilson.
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Wilson.
Ma!
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson.
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson! Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!
Teka, sino may birthday?
Sir Wilson!
Happy birthday, Sir Wilson!